Hi guys, welcome to Bargains with Love. My name is Lana and I'm a part-time reseller. I sell on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And this video is the third video in my series of unboxings, wholesale liquidation cases. The very first video I posted on my YouTube channel was about unboxing my first case I bought from Bulq.com. And if you haven't seen that video, please click on the link below and watch it so you'll see what I received in that box. So I promised you guys that I will make another video 30 days later and show you what sold in 30 days. So it's actually been a little bit longer than 30 days, but I will show you today what sold and for how much. And at the end of the video, you'll find out if I actually made any money. So I'm sure that you guys are curious to see that, so let's get started. So here's the summary of my box that I bought at Bulq.com. I purchased it on April 5th. My purchase price was $280 and they charged me $30 for shipping and $9.30 processing fee. So the total cost was $319.30. I picked the category of health and nutrition because this category has done well for me on eBay. Those types of items sell quickly because people always shop online for health and nutrition items. So that's why I picked this category. It was delivered to me on April 10th, so it was super quick. So Bulq.com did a great job as far as quick delivery. The number of items in the box was 62, and the cost per item ended up being $5.15. So as I go through the slides, I just tell you right away some of the lessons learned from this very first case I bought from Bulq. So first of all, my cost per item over here was a little bit too high. This box was uninspected returns. So when you get uninspected returns, some of them are going to be used, some of them are going to be in bad condition. Some items may be new, brand new, like in my box, there were several items that were brand new, but a lot of them were used and some of them were in bad condition. So cost per item is a little bit high here. So I think next time if I'm looking for my next case at Bulq.com, I'll be searching for something that would be much lower cost per item. So also on Bulq.com, when you look for your cases, so if you want to go on their website and shop and look around, they do show you pictures they have. It's completely manifested, so you get a manifest. You will know what you're getting. So I knew I was getting in this box some tampons and some feminine products. And so I didn't think that was a bad thing because I thought that those would sell pretty well on eBay. And then I looked up comps and they were selling pretty well on eBay. However, when I got my box and I tried to list the items on eBay, then I quickly learned that eBay actually stopped allowing sellers to add those items to sell unless you are a retail business that's selling those types of items. So that was a lesson learned. So be sure that you're always familiar with the changes that eBay is making to their policies, to the items that are allowed to be sold on eBay. That way you're not stuck with some items that you can't sell. So here's a slide here that shows you what sold, basically. Just a quick summary because I will go through some screenshots in this video and show you the items that sold. So the number of items listed, I listed only 32 out of 62 items. So out of those 32 items that I listed, 29 actually sold. So that is really good. For all of the items that I listed, basically pretty much except for 3, all of them sold. But the bad thing here is that I was only able to list 32 out of 62 items. That means basically half of the items that I received I was not able to list on eBay, either due to their policies not allowing me that or because they were in bad condition. So the date of first sale was April 10th, and that's the date when I received my box. So I was happy with that. There was one item in there. I will actually show you what item that was, and it's going to be at the end of my video, but that item sold for basically it was the highest price item. So price range of sold items was, the lowest was $2.90 and the highest was $42.90. So that item that sold for $42.90 was the very first item that sold on day one. So as soon as I took it out of the box, I listed it and it sold immediately. So here is the first item. I wanted to start and show you the item that sold for the lowest price. I was really surprised. I got this Band-Aid little package. It was closed. It was brand new, but the package was a little bit beat up. So I disclosed that, and my listing said, the boxes and not great condition, is a little bit up. So somebody did buy it. I made a mistake here, and I offered free shipping by accident, and so these Band-Aids sold pretty fast. So basically total they paid $3.14, but I offered them free shipping. So over here on this little item, I did not make any money. So lessons learned, always make sure that check the shipping. So this item right here, I wanted to show you. I had several of these. So I had multiples in my box of this ibuprofen. I can't remember right now, but it was probably, I think I had 8 of the bottles of ibuprofen, and it sold really well. Some people bought several bottles, so they were selling for $6 with $4.70 for shipping on this particular one. So this was a good seller, so I was happy with ibuprofen. This one right here was a really good sale too. So this is a Kinza Quick Care Bluetooth thermometer that you can connect to an app on the phone or on the PC. And this thermometer was used, so it was not new. It was used. I disclosed it. I did test it. I put in a new battery in there because it had the battery that was in it was bad, and it sold. So total was $34.90. So that was a good sale. This one right here was a good sale as well. This was a set. I put them together. 2 items: Boots number 7 Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Day and Night Cream. So I put them together as I figured, somebody would like to buy the day and night cream together. And Boots number 7 is a good seller. I've sold those items before, and I sell really fast for me. So this set sold for $43.87. This item was Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides Powder. I thought that would be a good sale, and it did. It sold, as you can see here, on May 13th, so it didn't sell immediately, but it did sell. And over here, the total was $29.49. This item was a really good item as well. Even though this one was a used item, it was not new. I had to clean it. I had to deodorize it. This was Vicks Sinus Steam Inhaler. And I think during the current environment that we're in during the pandemic, a lot of people were looking for items like this. So this one sold pretty fast, sold on April, well, it was delivered on April 21st to this person. And total they paid was $38.13. This is Cultural Kids Daily Probiotic Complete Multivitamin, sold for $12.95 total to this person. And this was open box. So yeah, it was new, but it was an open box. This right here was a good seller for me as well. Senecot Natural Vegetable Laxative Tablet. So I had several of these. I had multiples of these, and so these sold well. So I was really happy with that. So that was a good product. So selling for $12.85 with shipping. This item right here is Sculpt Night Kid Bedtime Weight Management Supplement. This brand, I wasn't sure if it was going to sell because I've never heard of this brand before, but somebody did buy it for $10.90 plus shipping. They paid $15.15 for it. So I was happy with it. This is an interesting item. This was actually a package that was ripped a little bit. So the packaging was ripped. It wasn't completely open, but it had a hole in it. And this is Up and Up brand from Target. It's incontinence pads for bladder protection. And so it did sell. I didn't really make any money on it, but I made my money back. So I was happy about that because I wasn't sure if this item would sell because the package was ripped. This right here was a pretty good sale. Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Live-In Milk, 8 ounces. So somebody bought it, paid for shipping. They paid a total of $16.26. So that was a good sale. And this is the last item that I wanted to tell you about. This is the item that sold first on the day I received the box. As soon as I listed it, it sold within a couple of hours. And this was my highest price selling item. This is Omron Wireless Upper Arm Blood Pressure Monitor. It sold for $42.90 plus $8 shipping. So total they paid was $50.90. I was really happy with this sale. This was basically the best item in the whole box. And this was not a brand new item. This was a used item. I listed it as used, and it still sold for pretty good profit. So this was a good one, and I was excited about this one when I saw it in the box, and I was right. It sold immediately and for pretty good profit. So here we are. These are the total gross sales for this box, $345. So as you remember, I paid $319.30 for my bulk case, and I sold $345 worth of items. So this is these are gross sales. This does include shipping that people paid. I need to deduct the eBay fees out of this amount. So I made my money back on the money that I paid for the box, but I didn't really make profit, I would say, on this box. So that's not great, but at least I didn't lose any money. So I have 2 more boxes that I purchased after this one. My second box I bought from Quick Lots, and I have an unboxing video of that. That was a mystery box. And the third box I bought was from Wholesale Ninjas, which that video is coming up. So actually, I think this box right here, even though um, I didn't make a lot of profit, but I think at least I didn't lose my money. So I'm pretty happy about that. This was my first try. I will still buy some more cases from Bulk and try different ones. Apologize for the noise. The little cat is here. But next time when I'm looking for my bulk.com purchase, I will be probably looking more for new items. I don't really want to get another box of uninspected returns. I want to get items in new condition, and I will be looking for something that has lower cost per item. So this is the box. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment below. Let me know if you've ever purchased something from Bulk, and let me know if you made money. I'm interested to hear that, and let me know what else you would like to see in the content on my channel. I would really appreciate that. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you.